Last month I said hard work alone isn't enough. So what is? This is what I know. There are debtor management courses out there, a few, but they don't really focus on school debtor management. That curriculum you have to build yourself. And you must make sure that the courses and the subjects you put on that list on your curriculum will help you move forward in school debtor management. But here's the mistake most people make. They just take random courses and they think it's going to look good on their CV, and it's going to take them forward in school debtor management, but it doesn't. So, what I have done is, and as I said in video one, I assessed my career and what I needed to do to take me forward. So, I did a course in analytics and I did a course in cybersecurity. And that definitely take me forward in the level and actually where I want to go to. So if you are not sure about your curriculum and what to start with and what to put on your list to make sure it's a valuable course or a valuable new skill, you can reach out to me and we can have a discussion. We can even do the assessment for you and we can take it from there.